Hi, welcome to SD Palet Marketplace. Today I'll be taking you through on how best to list your product on the SD Palet Marketplace. Now, when you visit our website, just click on Account. This is visit sdpalet.com. Click on Account. If you're not yet registered, kindly register. If you're registered, kindly log into your account. So if you're a vendor, you definitely see this dashboard. If you're not yet a vendor, you will not see this unless you're registered as a vendor. But if you're here, kindly click on vendor manager. Fine, this is our vendor manager portal. Here is where you manage all your orders, your item, check your gross sales, your earnings, how many persons have bought from you, the amount of products you have, as well as listing those products. So today we'll be going through on how to list our products. Just click on the 3- icon on your left side of the header. Here is the menu. The two possible ways to do that is either you click on the products or you click on add to my store. So let's go with add to my store. I click on add to my store. Fine. It brings us to our product manager page. Sorry, it seems I'm having a slow network. I guess yours will be better. Alright. These are some of the products that we have on our website. Assuming you want to add any of them to your own personal store, you can select them here or search the products you want to add and update it. If not, just click here to add directly from your phone or from your system, depending on where you want to add the product from. Just click on this cube button. See? It's taking us to adding new products. Very simple. Now the first thing we're supposed to identify is whether the product we want to add is a simple product, a variable product, or a grouped product. But for the case of this lesson, we'll be going through the simple product. The variable product comes in when you have some varieties in your product, maybe a single product that has different colors, different sizes, weights, dimensions, and you want to specifically place them with different prices. You go for variable. But since we are going through simple product, we'll leave it at simple product. Then you go for your product title. The product title I want to list here is men's, I want to say men's Nike sneakers. I can say original Nike sneakers for men as well. I think that's a better one. Original Nike sneakers for men. This is the product title. This title is very important because this is exactly what will display on all search results, including on our website as your product title. So here you have to select the price of your product. I want to sell my Nike, original Nike. I want to sell it for 20,000. So I just say 20,000. But probably this is the cost price, or this is the price of my product. Or maybe I want to do a little giveaway with my product. I want to, give some percentages out. So I just need to put on a sell price. This is the main price, but this is my sell price. I might say 18,500. That's my sell price. So this is the actual price I'm selling the product, but the main price is 20,000. I want to show my customers some love, so I'm there to remove a little amount of money from the price, so that you can still leave that empty if you don't want to do that. Then the short description, I'll say buy my original Nike sneakers. It comes with full packaging. It comes with full packaging, and it is brand new from Nike trusted vendor. Size 45 or 44. 45. This is just to give the buyer a quick view of what he or she wants to buy actually. You understand? So here you need to describe your Nike shoe very well. I will say the original Nike sneakers for men. You need to also observe some of these things. For men, comes in various varieties. So you just need to take your time, describe your product, how best customers will see them and love it. And just try to describe it as much as you can. Put up if the footwear has a problem or if your product has an issue, try to put it here. With that, you reduce returns. Try to describe your product very well, but try not to put any image in this particular field. You don't need to put any image in it. So you can say, buy my product, blah, blah, blah. Just try to describe the Nike, the color, how it looks, the feeling, the structure, the material that it's used to do that. Just describe all of that here. Then the next thing to do is to add your product image. The big image box you're seeing here is actually the featured image, the image that features or buyers will first see on the product page before they click on it. So you need to make it appealing, but make sure that the image you are putting is actually the image of the product you're about to sell. So I click on it. I want to if the image is already on my dashboard, just click on media library. It will drop, but I actually don't have anything, so I have to upload from my phone. Click upload files. It takes me to my media library, to my gallery. This is the Nike I want to list. Alright, this is it. I want to display this, so I get it. Yeah, we're here, good to go. Fine, see, it's here. I want to add other views of my product in order to make it more interesting, that people will see. If you have 4 or 5 different views of your product, better. It will encourage buyers the more to buy from your store. Okay. So I'll get this other view again. I'll pick this one. I think this is the second view of my product. If you have more other views to put, just click on add. You click here, you select it, but I want to just end it with 2. Then my product is a footwear under men's category, so I have to consider the category, but it falls under fashion, so I click on fashion. It brings me to fashion categories. I say men's fashion, men's shoe. I'll select men's shoe. That's for the category. Come to the brand. The brand is actually Nike. I'll select the brand Nike. Then I'll come to tag. This is very important. Say Nike. You tag some possible words separated with commas, that your products are highly related to those words that are related to your product. I said Nike. I say sneakers. I say men's shoes. That's all. This is enough for my category. catalog visibility, shop and search results, that's okay. Then manage stock. Since I have just one pair of the shoe, I have to manage my stock because it is not in stock. You can leave it in stock if you have plenty, like you have dozens of it, and one can actually order as many as possible. But if it is just few, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to manage stock. If not, you leave it in stock. Then I have to go to manage stock, and the stock is just one, just a pair. I'll say pair. Allow back orders. Back orders is when the product is out of stock and someone could possibly order 5 of it and pay, then you go get it from where it is. But if not, just leave it on managed stock and endeavor you maintain it. Sold individually, I also advise you leave it unchecked. Then shipping. This is very important that you click on the shipping class. The product is actually coming from Lagos, and it's not a bulky product, it's not a very large product. I'm not doing free shipping. It's not too small, so I have to select medium size product shipping. Okay, processing time, I'll select the number of weeks or days that it will take me to actually send that product to the buyer. I'll say 1 to 2 business working days. I think that's enough. Attributes, the color of the product, the size. I have to go to color. The product's color is, I think it has white and other color, maybe mixed white, black and white, thereabout. If the color is not there, you actually add the color yourself and select it. Then the one that is also important is the size. The size is 45. The size is 45. Say 45. That's the size. Visible on product page is checked. That is it. Links, you don't need that. You don't actually need to add any of that link or thereabout. But if you must do it, you come to upsells. You select some of your products that you want. If someone buys a particular product, if that one also comes down, you understand. So you select it there, but you can as well leave that unchecked. Products policies, if you have your personal product policy, you put it here. If not, I think the system has actually put that in place. Then submit for a review. I think you're done. With this, your product successfully submitted for moderation. With this, your product has already been submitted for moderation and it's pending. Once we go through it and verify that everything is correct, and other Palet will actually approve your product and it will appear on our marketplace. You start selling and start making money. Thanks so much for being with me. I hope this is cool. See you next time on our next video. Bye.